All right, beautiful people. So now I'm just going to do a few more examples of factoring. All right, so we're going to go with 27y plus 36. So again, you can list the factors, but I prefer the ladder method. So I'm going to do my first ladder rung. And I think, what number divides 27 that also divides 36? Okay, I notice 27 is odd and 36 is even, which means 2 is not going to work. So then I'm going to try 3. So when I look for factors, I try 2 first, then I do 3, and then I do 4, and then I do 5, so on and so forth. Okay, but this 2 doesn't work. 3 does divide 27 and 36, so I'm going to put a 3 on the outside. Okay, and then I do 27y divided by 3. 27y divided by 3 is 9y. Keep the addition sign. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay, and then I look again. Does 9y and 12 have a common factor? Well, yeah, they absolutely do. So I put another rung down. 9y and 12 are both divisible by 3 again. Oh, that was a bad 3. Okay, so then 9y divided by 3 is 3y. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay. So again, all I'm doing on the right-hand side is these are the factors, or the things that can be divided. And down here is what's left. So this is what happens after I divide. So after the division. Okay. So 3y plus 4, they don't have any common factors, which means that this is my final for my GCF. So greatest common factor is going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, so I know that 27y plus 36 equals 9 times, and then I keep this right here. This is the remainder, which means 3y plus 4 goes on the inside. And I can check it just to make sure. If I do 9 times 3, that's going to get 27, and 9 times 4 gives me 36, which means the left and the right are equivalent. So yay. Okay, let's try another example. All right, 24 minus 16k. So I'm going to use a new color. So again, I'm looking for common factors of 24 and 16. So I'm going to start with 2, because I always start with 2. I look, okay, well, 24 is even, and so is 16. So 2 will definitely be pulled out. Okay, so then 24 divided by 2 is 12, because this over here on the right is the factor, and I divide. I keep the subtraction sign. 16k divided by 2 is 8k. Okay. All right, and then I look again and I say, are there common factors between 12 and 8k? Again, start at the top. Yeah, 2 is a common factor between the two of them. Sweet. So I'm going to do 2 again. 12 divided by 2 is 6. I keep the subtraction. 8k divided by 2 is 4k. And then I look again at 6 and 4, and I say, are there common factors? Yeah, 6 and 4 are both divisible by 2 again. Wow, a lot of 2's. So then I do 6 divided by 2, which is 3. I keep the subtraction, and 4k divided by 2 is 2k. Okay, again, notice all I'm doing is this is what happens after I divide down on the bottom, and this is what I'm dividing by. 3 and 2k are prime numbers, so I can't divide them anymore, which means that I multiply these together to get the GCF. So the GCF is going to be 2 times 2 times 2. Now don't let this trick you up. This is not 2 times 3. This is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8. So this should be 8. So your GCF is 8. So then when we rewrite it, we say 24 minus 16k is equivalent to, keep the GCF on the outside, and then on the inside is this remainder right here, 3 minus 2k. Okay, so working through it, you have the GCF, and this is your remainder, okay, every time that you're factoring.